Welcome to our channel. I'm Hieu, and in today's video, we're going to be focused on how an Orange County expungement attorney can help turn your life around by clearing your criminal record. Let's dive into why this is so crucial and how it can significantly improve your life. The first thing we want to talk about is what exactly is an expungement and why does it matter? An expungement is basically taking the case where you had either a jury verdict of a guilty, or you admitted that you were guilty, or you took a plea. What it does is that it takes the case and we add it back into calendar and we change your guilty plea to a not guilty. After we change it to a not guilty, we dismiss your case. That is what it means to reopen and dismiss it. What this does is that it allows you to claim that you had no conviction on this case. And many times, a lot of people, their only criminal record is one case. And if that's the one case, it can mean the difference in answering a job application to say that you have never been convicted of any crime. By having an expungement attorney help you along this process, it helps with the complexities of the legal system. The expungement process is not simple, as there are multiple agencies to serve. There's the courthouse, you have to process the paperwork, and then there's also identifying the correct agency to serve. On top of that, there are legal petitions to file, and on top of that, there's also an adversarial court hearing that can happen as well. Having an attorney through this process can help, especially one that is familiar with your local courthouses. Your attorney will also look over your case and decide whether or not you are eligible for an expungement. In order to be eligible for an expungement, there are several factors at play here, including whether or not you completed your probation successfully, whether or not you had violations, restitutions, or if you paid off your fines. There are several hurdles that you have to go through in order to become eligible for an expungement. Having an attorney look over your case, pull your records, and analyze it will help. There's no use in moving forward with an expungement if you are not eligible. Once you are found eligible for an expungement, then there's a process that you have to go through. It includes an interview, finding out who you were back then, who you are now, what did you learn from the process, and ultimately how an expungement will help you. After that, we craft a letter to the judge and for the purpose of helping you get your expungement. It's important that you choose the right attorney for your expungement. The right attorney will provide you tips on how to navigate your case. On top of that, having an attorney will decrease the chance of your expungement being denied. And if there's a district attorney objection, having the right attorney, you will overcome those objections. And on top of that, by having the right attorney, if there is a DA objection, having someone who is regularly in the courts and knows how to deal with the objection, your chances of overcoming it is that much higher. An important knowledge of the local court system will always benefit you. After this is done with and your case is dismissed, your life would be affected differently. That you will no longer have to answer that you've been convicted or you have a criminal record. This can impact your professional and personal life as well. It can impact your professional life by having finally a competitive edge. It can affect your professional life by finally having a competitive edge when filling out job applications. Many people are in companies and they want to do a lateral transfer to a different company. However, they fear the background check, and they oftentimes will sit in a job or a company that they don't like with similar opportunities across the pond with higher pay because they do not want to run the background check. By clearing your conviction, you will be freed of these chains. Clearing your criminal record can open new doors and opportunities. If you're considering an expungement, don't hesitate to reach out to an experienced Orange County expungement attorney. We can help you with your case. You're welcome to reach out to us. We have done many expungements in Orange County at the Fullerton, Westminster, Santa Ana, and Harbor Justice Center. You can reach out to us at the number above, or you can leave a comment or make an appointment button. Thank you for watching.